Adding your ROS digital certificate to BrightPay is a once-off exercise. Your digital cert must already be on the same computer as the software itself. To add an employer digital cert into the software, open your company through the Open Company screen. Next, go to File, then Manage Revenue Certificates. Click Add Certificate. Then browse the location of where your digital cert is saved. The file extension of your digital cert will either be .p12 or .bac. If you cannot find your certificate, try searching these extensions in your search bar. Select the digital cert and press Open. After selecting your digital cert, you will need to enter your password. This will be the password you use to log into your ROS account. Also, you can tick the box in order to store the password in BrightPay. This is so you don't have to enter it each time the certificate is being used. Click OK when complete. On the next screen, you can enter a name for your certificate, so it can be more easily identified within BrightPay. This is particularly useful if you have multiple companies and various ROS certificates. Choose Employer Certificate as your cert type using the Certificate Type drop-down menu. Click OK. Your Employer Certificate will now be added into the BrightPay software. By accessing the Employer tab, you can see under the Revenue Certificate section the cert being used. Once your certificate has been added, further functionality can be accessed at any time by going to File, Manage Revenue Certificates, and then by clicking the Edit button. For example, if you wish to change the name of the certificate, to remove the certificate password, or export your digital cert.